Hi, this is Group 4. My name is Kevin.
I'm Peter.
I'm Zhaosen.
I'm Jiaye.
Welcome and thank you for being here. We are the team behind the project, the Nextwave, a modular bus shelter designed for Schofields, one of the fastest growing suburbs and also the hottest in Western Sydney. Our aim was simple but meaningful, to reimagine what it means to wait for a bus, especially when waiting on the harsh sunlight without clear information or in spaces that aren't accessible to elderly people or people with disabilities. What we have created is more than just a shelter. It's a climate-adaptive, inclusive space designed to be cooler, safer, and more intuitive for everyone in the community. Let's walk you through how it works and what we discovered along the way.
The bus stop is designed to serve the waiting riders in some main features. Firstly, the roof. Multiple angle light bulbs are designed to provide covers at different times and carry rainwater away, so the waiting area stays dry and shady throughout the day. In addition, there is a patterned glass on the north side. It screens out the strong summer sunlight from the north, but still allows soft daylight in during the morning and afternoon to keep the space bright. Instead of misting cooling, which we found it might cause uncomfortable or humid, we incorporate a water fountain. This is an easier and cleaner way to stay cool and hydrated. Real-time bus information is displayed on the e-ink screen with voice notification and priority set to ensure it's suitable for everyone. Finally, the entire structure is modular, which means it's made from standard components that can be adapted to suit space or future needs, from small corner to multiple stand station.
Of course, getting here wasn't just about adding cool features. It was about figuring out what really works and letting go of what doesn't. Early on, we tested things like misting system and interactive screens. At first, they sounded exciting, but when we tried them in real settings, they were not practical. People didn't like getting sprayed, especially if they wore glasses or work clothes. The interactive screens raised sanitation concerns, as well as the potential for overcrowding when used during busy times. So, we went with simpler, more respectful options, a water refill station, and an ink display with voice assistance. They are easy to use, more reliable, and better for different user groups. We also used AI tools to help turn our early sketches into quick visual previews that helped us test out shapes, layouts, and materials before we built anything physical. One of the hardest parts, which is like balancing clean and modular structure with something that still felt unique. We didn't want a boring shelter, so we played with the roof layer and texture to give it some rhythm and personalities. In the end, every design decision, whether we kept something or left it out, was based on real people, real needs, and real usage.
This project pushed us to balance ambitions with practicality. Some early ideas looked impressive but failed real tests, too bulky, too complex, or simply not buildable. And through fieldwork, scale models, and iterative redesign, we learned that good design isn't about adding more, but understanding what's truly essential for comfortable clarity and everyday use.